Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we will learn how to make a loop at kth position in a linked list. The problem statement says we have given a linked list and a position k. We have to write a function to make a loop at kth position of the linked list. Let's see an example to understand the problem. So, we have given a linked list as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and value of k is given as 2, means we have to make loop at second position of the linked list. So after making loop at second position of the linked list, we get modified linked list as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and next of 7 is connected to 2, which makes a loop consisting of nodes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we get a loop at position second of linked list. Let's see the algorithm to solve the problem. Start traversing the linked list till kth point. After reaching kth point, make backup of the kth node. After that, traverse the remaining linked list till end. Finally, attach the last node with kth node of the linked list. Now, let's see the C implementation of above algorithm. The function takes two parameters, head of the linked list and an integer k. We are passing pointer to pointer while passing head, so it will automatically allow changing head pointer instead of returning new head. So return type of this function is kept as void. We declare a variable temp and initialize it with head of the linked list. We also declare an integer variable count and initialize it with 1. Count variable will keep track on which node we are currently on. We then start traversing the given linked list and move temp to next node and increment count by 1 in each iteration. Once we have reached the kth node, means count becomes equal to k, then we stop the traversal and store the kth node, which is temp, in another variable joint underscore point. After taking the backup of temp pointer, we will traverse the remaining linked list using the temp till the end of the linked list. After this traversal, temp will point to last node. We will then update next of temp with joint underscore point, which points on the kth node of the linked list. So this will join last node with kth node, resulting in formation of loop at kth position. Let's verify the code using an example. So we have given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and k as 2, means we have to form loop at second position of linked list. So we pass this k and head in the function make loop. Initially head will point to 1. We initialize temp with the head of the linked list. So initially temp will point to 1. We also declare a variable count and initialize it with 1. In the first iteration, temp will move forward and will point to 2 and value of count becomes 2. Since count becomes equal to k, means we have reached kth node, we take backup of temp in another variable joint underscore point. So joint underscore point will point to 2. Now we will traverse rest of the linked list till temp reaches end of the list. So temp will move to 3, then to 4, next 5, next 6 and finally to node 7. Since next of temp is null, means temp is on last node, we will stop the traversal. To make loop on second position, we join last node with the second node of the linked list. For this, we update next of temp with join underscore point. After this, next of 7 point to 2, resulting in formation of loop on second position. So our final linked list look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and next of 7 pointing on 2. So this verifies our algorithm. Time complexity of this algorithm is O(n), where n is the number of nodes present in the linked list. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.